Video.
And I don't know if Chris Ma's with us, but this looks like something that's going to be in the family Pterosteridae.
Go for more. Is that full?
No, that's still partial. I just wanted to get a...
Yep.
Right. That's full.
Yeah, beautiful view there. You can see the tube feed. Yeah, I'm looking through images here of what the Okeanos Explorer collected when they were doing work in the Pacific. And they imaged a very similar animal that was ID'd as Pteroraster reticulatus.
Look at that. All the way down to the internal.
Now he's shaking.
All right, video.
All right.
When you're ready.
I think we're good.
Let's watch lead 2.
Go ahead.
Just immediately to